Okay.
Hey, how are ya?
How you doing?
Good. Are you guys coming down this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like you guys got the right idea.
Hopefully. Successful, maybe? Are you filming, or what are you doing?
I'm filming.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
You don't have to film right now. I'm gonna wait. Whoa, careful.
What's that board right there?
This one? Millie. Sorry, she's grumpy. I've had this since I was 8. This thing is so old. Oh, you wanna go down it?
He likes to sled.
He loves to sled. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it's like a snowboard
It
without
is
any
a
binding?
snowboard. Yeah, without any things.
And that's a fake snowboard.
Cheapo Costco
It's like plastic.
thing from like...
Oh, it looks like you guys got the right idea though. We'll get out of your way.
That's cool. That's Sam. Sam. Come on, Millie. Up here.
Can you make it all the way down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
I'm too scared. It's too steep. Ready? I was gonna fall backwards, but it's tight.
Uh-oh.
Are you filming still? You should probably take it. You should probably stop filming.
Shut up.
Millie! Millie.
Frozen waste plateau.
Second week in a row. Got ice on the bus. Ice on the van. Ice on the bus. Okay. Alright, hopefully I can make it past this tree.
Okay, go in.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am too. Let's do it.